This 2024 Heartland Prowler 335 SBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 37 feet 1 inch in length and features a Malibu PR interior, sleeps 11, auxiliary battery, skylight, spare tire kit, water heater, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, external shower, awning, air conditioning, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Heartland Prowler 335 SBH is 8,562 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.